How we inspect. Principles of inspection. We are committed to making every inspection a positive experience, ensuring the best for learners, offering leaders a professional and constructive dialogue, and sharing our broad experiences from across Wales to support improvement. This is how we approach our work. Our mindset helps us to make the inspection a positive experience for the provider and a robust process. Inspection is fair and impartial. We are independent, objective, robust and consistent. And our evaluations are honest, accurate and credible. We focus on strengths as well as shortcomings and the impact they have on learners. Our inspectors are always transparent, focusing on direct and succinct communication. Inspections are always supportive of improvements that benefit learners, encourage innovation and creativity, and educational reform. Our inspections are reflective, open-minded, receptive, thoughtful, and measured, considering the different contexts and challenges facing each provider. With learners at the heart of every inspection, we always focus clearly on the quality of teaching and learning. During the inspection, we speak with staff and learners and visit as many teaching sessions as possible. There is no need to prepare additional documents or evidence for an inspection. We'll always report on what's working well and what needs improving, adapt our approach to each individual provider, use tailored methodologies that take into account each provider's circumstance in order to fully evaluate robustly and fairly. We want to help ensure a professional learning experience that benefits everyone. Through our actions, we promote trust and respect.